Okay, today we're going to explain to our customer why do the car still work. The car machine, the car radio still work if the car key have been turned off. And why can't the car radio remember the time, pre-stored radio stations, and other related settings after restart car. First of all, I want to explain this is the ISO cable for the Android car radio, and they have two cables. One is in yellow, another one is in red. And for the yellow cable is for the B plus, connect to the car's B plus. And for this one is the red cable is for the ACC connection. So some of our customers will combine them together, together for the power supply. But in this case, it will cause two affections. First of all, if you plug these two cables together and put them onto the B plus, the car radio will not turn off even when you take off the car key, turn off the engine. But if you put them together to the ACC, when you take off the car key, the time will not remember anymore. So what we recommend is you need to separate these two cables, the red and the yellow cables, into the right position. Then you will get the full function for the car radio.